Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of quantum physics. Today, we will delve deep into the mysteries of quantum entanglement. But before we begin, don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. If this is your first time watching our video and visiting our channel, we also encourage you to explore our other videos. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel, Mind and Body, for more thought-provoking videos. And be sure to share our videos and channel, Mind and Body, with your family and friends. Today's discussion is a continuation of our previous video, Quantum Entanglement versus Chinese Yin-Yang philosophy. Quantum versus over 5,000 years of culture and philosophy. If you haven't had a chance to watch it yet, we highly recommend you do so. And if you are new to the quantum world, we suggest you watch our previous videos, Unlocking the Quantum World, A Beginner's Guide to the Mysteries of the Universe, and Quantum Entanglement, the spooky connection that baffles scientists first. In this video, we're taking the concepts explored in that discussion and using quantum entanglement to shed light on Murphy's Law. We'll uncover the unexpected connections between these two seemingly unrelated fields, highlight their intriguing similarities and differences, and ultimately show how quantum entanglement provides us with a fresh perspective on the nature of Murphy's Law. So, let's delve into this captivating exploration. The image of quantum entanglement, published for the first time in Nature magazine, represents a groundbreaking moment in human history as it grants us visual insight into this enigmatic phenomenon. This revelation carries profound implications. Yet, what elevates the astonishment to another level is the remarkable resemblance between the image of quantum entanglement and the ancient Chinese Yin-Yang symbol. This revelation challenges conventional scientific wisdom. It's worth emphasizing that the Chinese Yin-Yang symbol boasts a history spanning over 5,000 years, rendering this discovery even more extraordinary. As we delve into this intriguing convergence of quantum entanglement and Chinese Yin-Yang philosophy, we'll also draw parallels with Murphy's Law, a concept that often humorously states, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. Join us in uncovering these fascinating intersections and the profound insights they offer into the nature of reality and existence. Now, let's explore what Murphy told us, unravel the essence of Murphy's Law. Murphy's Law is a popular adage that has become part of everyday language. It is often attributed to Edward A. Murphy, Jr., an American aerospace engineer and Air Force officer. However, the true story of its origin is a bit more complex. In 1949, Edward Murphy was involved in a project at Edwards Air Force Base in California. The project aimed to test the effects of sudden deceleration on the human body, as well as the equipment used in military aircraft. During this project, sensors were installed on various parts of the subject's body and equipment to measure the impact. The project also involved Dr. John Paul Stapp, a U.S. Air Force officer, flight surgeon, and pioneer in studying the effects of acceleration and deceleration on the human body. During the testing, there were various configurations for the sensors. The idea was to ensure that none of the sensors were incorrectly wired, as this could lead to inaccurate measurements, endangering the life of the test subject. Murphy and his colleagues took measures to make sure all sensors were properly installed. However, there was a misunderstanding between Murphy, Stapp, and another engineer, Captain John Stapp. Murphy believed that the sensors would be installed in the correct configuration as a matter of course, while Stapp and the other engineer believed that Murphy's team should have cross-checked the wiring. Unfortunately, the sensors were indeed incorrectly wired, leading to inaccurate measurements during a critical test. It was after this incident that Murphy reportedly stated something along the lines of, "If there's any way they can do it wrong, they will." This statement eventually became known as Murphy's Law and was later popularized. So, while Edward A. Murphy, Jr. is associated with the phrase, it's important to note that it was the result of a series of events and misunderstandings during the testing process, involving other individuals like Dr. John Paul Stapp and Captain John Stapp, that led to the phrase's creation. The phrase, Murphy's Law, refers to the idea that if something has a chance of going wrong, it is very likely to go wrong at the worst possible moment. It implies that if there are multiple ways for something to go as planned and one way for it to go wrong, it will inevitably go wrong in that one way. This law underscores the idea that life is full of unexpected events and mishaps, and it's wise to be prepared for them. While it is often used humorously, it highlights the importance of contingency planning and expecting the unexpected. Examples of Murphy's Law: traffic jams. Murphy's Law often seems to apply when you're running late for an important meeting or appointment. You're more likely to encounter heavy traffic, a detour, or a road closure precisely when you can't afford delays. Technology failures. If your computer or phone is going to crash or malfunction, it will probably happen when you're in the middle of a crucial task and haven't saved your work. Bad weather on special occasions. If you've planned a picnic, outdoor wedding, or any event that relies on good weather, it seems that rainy or stormy weather is more likely to occur on that specific day. Getting sick on vacation. When you finally take that long-awaited vacation, you're more likely to catch a cold or have some health issue pop up. Losing important documents. Important documents, such as passports, tend to go missing just before you need them for travel or important appointments. Murphy's Law is a humorous way of acknowledging life's unpredictabilities and the importance of being prepared for them. Quantum entanglement, a fascinating concept in the realm of quantum physics, offers a unique perspective on how things can seemingly go awry when we least expect them to. While it's not a scientific law, both Murphy's Law and quantum entanglement highlight the unpredictable nature of the universe. Scientific evidence suggests that quantum entanglement may shed light on Murphy's Law. In the well-known EPR experiment, measurement correlations, when measurements are conducted on one of the entangled particles, it promptly influences the outcome of the corresponding measurement on the other particle, maintaining their correlation. This correlation often exceeds classical correlations. In plain words, if you expected the result, it won't give you. If you want this to happen, it won't happen. If you don't want bad, bad happens. Quantum entanglement exactly explains Murphy's Law. Incredible as it may sound, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, a concept originating from the world of quantum physics and science, can be related to something as fundamental as life itself. Quantum entanglement, a fascinating area in the realm of quantum science, opens up a new perspective on the mysteries of our universe. As we conclude our exploration, remember that life's unpredictabilities, like those reflected in Murphy's Law, are a part of our journey. Embrace them, learn from them, and find ways to turn challenges into opportunities. And just think, even the mysterious world of quantum entanglement supports the idea that sometimes, things are more connected than they appear. Stay curious, stay open to the wonders of science, and keep exploring the mysteries of quantum physics. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope you find it as awe-inspiring as we do. If you have more questions or insights, please share them in the comments below. If this is your first time watching our video and visiting our channel, we also encourage you to explore our other videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Mind and Body for more thought-provoking content. Also, be sure to share our videos and channel Mind and Body with your family and friends.